Hey everyone, welcome to episode 24 of the PowerPlatform Digital Series. My name is Ron, and this week I have a super special guest with me, Mike.
Hi, I'm Mike. I lead our HoloLens and mixed reality business here for Canada.
Terrific. So the session that we want to introduce everyone to this week is called Intelligent Cloud, Intelligent Edge, and Mixed Reality. And you might wonder kind of what's the relationship between that topic and the Power Platform. I assure you there's quite a bit, but before we get there, Mike, I think it's so interesting with sort of this topic of mixed reality and what are some of the new applications of mixed reality in all different kinds of environment. I was wondering if you can share with us what are some of the more interesting applications that you've seen from customers. I mean, they talk about a really interesting one in this particular session, but I want to get your perspective as well.
Yeah, so there's an amazing ecosystem. You can obviously develop apps yourself, but there's an amazingly quick growing ecosystem of third-party applications that people are building for mixed reality, both for HoloLens and across a multitude of devices. The two we'll talk about today are two that we just recently released from Microsoft as first-party applications. One of those being Microsoft Layout. And so when you think about trying to plan things in space, whether it's a machine on a factory floor, whether it's redesigning your office facilities or trying to make spatial planning decisions, whatever your need, you can kind of take your assets, bring them into the real world and see them in 3D so that you can have conversations about them and make decisions faster. The other one is an application, Microsoft Dynamics 365 Remote Assist. And that one's very focused on helping somebody in the field overcome some type of obstacle at some immediate time. And that can apply to whether it be a manufacturing plant floor, whether that be some type of field operator out at a customer site, whether it be someone remote on an oil rig, or even in a hospital. Again, it's about connecting some type of field expert to some source of knowledge or some other expert to help them through something in a remote way.
Awesome. And I think, Mike, the other interesting thing that jumps out at me from a Power Platform perspective is the ability for you to connect these applications and then pull them into the intelligent cloud, sort of being weaved together by the common data model, and then be able to extend that out then to things like Power Apps, connect them through Flow, and the rest of the Microsoft Cloud environment that I think really unlocks a ton of potential for customers.
Definitely. And none of these things should really ever be used in just a silo, right? It's the connectivity of all these pieces of information, whether it's your existing ERP or CRM data, or whether it's IoT information. If you connect these things, you create more powerful experiences at the end of the day, helping you achieve more.
Totally. So guys, please go and watch the session. As usual, please let us know what you like, what you don't like, and what you would like us to cover in future episodes. So until the next one, thanks so much for watching. Thanks.
See ya.